Hello and welcome to week number 4. Now that you know how to control a program using sequential processing, conditional branching, and iteration, we need to talk about the data. Way back in week number 1, we talked about the general 5 types of data: integers, decimal values, single characters, strings of characters, and Boolean variables, true and false stuff. Now we need to talk about collections of those data, not just one at a time. Large amounts of data. It's kind of like the difference between a single person riding a bicycle or a bunch of people riding a school bus or a plane or a train. So some of the different data structures that we'll discuss are arrays, 1- and 2-dimensional arrays. We'll talk about linked lists and how they're similar yet a little bit different than arrays. We'll talk about stacks and queues and the terms push and pop and peek and LIFO and FIFO. And we'll talk about binary trees, the general ideas behind binary trees, and more specifically about binary search trees and something called a minimum heap. And finally, we'll talk about graphs, not the kind you see in geometry, a little different kind of graph that you'll use in computer science. All of these data structures are important for you to know about. So yeah, as you can see, it's getting kind of heavy. Hang in there and let's see what data structures are all about.